Welcome back, Craft Kingdom! Today, we'll be learning the word flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Are you ready? Let's draw! Do you know how to write the word flower? Follow me. F L O W E R. Flower. This is a flower. Yellow. Let's color the petals of the flower pink. Flowers come in all different shapes and colors. If you keep flowers in your home, you need to water them daily and be sure to give them lots of sun. Springtime is the season when most flowers bloom. The stem and the leaf will color green. Wow! Do you remember how to write the word flower? Follow me! Orange. F L O W E R. Flower. This is a flower. Wow! Well done, kids! Today you've learned a new word. F L O W E R. Flower. See you next time. Bye.